Understand you have come to see me because you got a DUI. I want to get you comfortable. It's a very difficult situation where you get stopped by a police officer and the red and the blue lights are on the car and you get pulled over and you don't know why. And then the officer says to you, have you been drinking? And what do you answer? You probably tell the truth and say, yes, I had a few, but I'm all right. And then he gets into field tests, and then you get cuffed, you're arrested, you're placed in a police car, you're taken back to the station or to a hospital for blood work or to the station for breath work. It's a very harrowing problem that you're facing. I want to get you comfortable. A first offense in the state of Pennsylvania, number one, you're not going to jail. Number two, you are not going to lose your license for a whole year. The loss of license, and I'm giving you the worst case scenario now. Again, with no prior criminal record, you're eligible for a diversionary program, and we call it ARD. It stands for Accelerated Rehabilitative Disposition. First-time offender, nonviolent crime, valid driver's license, valid insurance, valid registration. You should qualify for the program called ARD. That's my job if I can't get you out of it. I don't know if I can get you out of it or not. I don't know enough about your case. I haven't gone to a preliminary hearing yet where I get to cross-examine the officer and find out how much he has against you versus what he really needs to prove his case. So let's talk about ARD. Again, 0 jail. The loss of license is based upon your alcohol level. If you're a 0.08 to a 0.099, there's no loss of license. If you're a 0.10 to a 0.159, there would be a 1 month loss of license instead of a year. If you're a 0.16 or higher, or the presence of drugs, illegal drugs, or a refusal, you lose your license for 2 months in the ARD program. Keep refusal aside. Refusal is a separate loss of license. My suggestion is you never refuse the chemical test. Let me worry about the admissibility of the chemical test. So in addition to the shorter loss of license, you also would have to pay fines and costs. Fines and costs are approximately $1,800 to $2,400 depending which county you achieve your DUI in. You would also have to do safe driving school, which is 2 Saturdays in a row. You would do a CRN evaluation, crime reporting network. You go in to a counselor and you answer questions, and they determine whether or not, based upon their rules and regs, you have to do any counseling. If you have to do counseling, you must complete the counseling. You would also have to do community service. Every county is different with the amount of community service that you would have to do. You could do 10 hours, you could do 24, you could do 36. It just depends. Now, what happens is your probation would be approximately 1 year. In some counties, we can reduce it to 6 months. Your file, your papers, your DUI papers are set aside. They're put back here for that 6 months or the 1 year. If you achieve no new arrests and you complete the program, they take your file at the end of the probation and they dismiss all charges against you. That means your record becomes expungible. It is not automatic. You can get the driver's license record expunged. Thank you.